How to use custom setback for public elements. Using custom setbacks to mark elements such as power lines, creeks, and other objects on the ground and define custom setbacks for them. When you open a project, on the project itself you're presented with the basic layout of a site plan. Includes the building and various elements of the site plan. In this example, we see that on this property, if we zoom in, there is Saratoga Creek running through it. This creek basically runs from here and goes throughout the property. In this town, Saratoga, California, there is a 25-foot setback for anything on the side of the creek. So, what we do is we use the custom setbacks to define that. To do so, we basically open up, enable, and close the line object, and also, we would want to do custom setbacks on the trees on the property. We enable tree trunk. Let's go and mark the creek itself first. To mark the creek, use the utility and fence line. Simply sketch where the creek is going, and release. You mark this as basically being a water line. You next name it as what you like. In this case we're going to call it Saratoga Creek Line. We know there is a 25-foot setback from this, and we call it creek setback. And show it on the ground. And click on Save. That is how you define setbacks using utility lines. You can be creative as you wish. How do you do it on a tree, for example? It looks like this might be an oak tree. Click on the tree trunk. The trunk seems to be here. We'll define the trunk. The system asks, what is the tree? We're going to call it. It's an oak tree. We can define it. We can call it, for example, protected tree. Protected oak tree. Setback usually is 15 feet, and it is a no-digging site. And you notice that it's put on the site plan. By using site plan, setbacks, and custom elements, you can define all objects and various setbacks from those objects. All you have to do, save and export.